Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and check the deleted messages on your Messenger account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, let's just go ahead and say that I've deleted this message right here by clicking the delete button, and in that way, I will not be able to recover this messages inside this account right here. Now there's actually a way to recover your messages inside the Messenger application right here. So just go ahead and open up your application, and once inside, just go ahead and click on your profile icon, and inside you will be able to see the gear icon right here. So just go ahead and click on it, and once you're inside the settings of your account, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the account center, the personal data, personal details, password and security, and you must go ahead and click the see more in account center, and it will go ahead and take you to the meta account center. You just want to go ahead and click on the your information and permission, and inside you will be able to see the download your information right here. So just go ahead and click on the download your information, and inside you will be able to see the download or transfer information, and inside you just go ahead and select your preferred account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and recover some messages from this account right here. I'll go ahead and click on next, and inside you will be able to see which type of information do you want to download. Right here we have the available information, but if you want to be more specific, just go ahead and click on the second option, specific type of information, and right here you can recover save items, collection, voting, messages, post, and more. In this tutorial, we are actually recovering some messages, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on messages right here, and you will be able to select to download to device. So let's just go ahead and click on next, and lastly, you could just go ahead and choose your email right here, the format which is HTML and JSON, and lastly we have the media quality. You could go ahead and select high, medium, and low. So in that way, you will be able to check the deleted messages on your Messenger account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.